thought it was a present opener. So your birthday is going to take about 12 hours.
That's why we're starting it early. Pet, it's for you. You got to open it though. Here you go.
Go crazy. Open it. No, don't worry about the paper. Yeah.